Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's lecture we are going to learn how to find 5 number summaries. So without wasting our time, let's start. So for finding 5 number summary, first we need to import Pandas. This is the Python library which we use to find 5 number summaries of a data set. Next we need to read our data. So for reading our data we use pd.read_csv function. Then we need to define name of our data set. So my data set name is dataset.csv. Okay, so now we need to find our 5 number summary. For finding 5 number summary, here we use pd.describe function. So here I need to write df.describe because I'm finding the 5 number summary of my df data set. Okay, so here I get my 5 number summary. Those who don't know about 5 number summary, it is especially useful in descriptive analysis. We use 5 number summary to find descriptive analysis of our data. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.